In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tooltip in Figma. We'll go from a blank canvas to a clean, reusable tooltip you can drop anywhere in your designs. First, open Figma and head into a file where you want the tooltip to live. Zoom in to a comfortable level so alignment is easy, and make sure you're on the Design tab. Next, bring in an idea icon from an icon set like Icons 8. You can paste an SVG or use a plugin. Either way, keep it as vector so the color and size can be adjusted. Set it to the size you want for your UI, and match the stroke or fill to your design's color tokens. Duplicate that icon so you have a second instance to work with. Duplicating makes it easy to test placement and spacing, and it gives you a spare if you want to show the tooltip on more than one target. Now let's build the tooltip itself. Add a messaging icon to use inside the tooltip, then draw a rectangle that will become the bubble. Give it a subtle corner radius so it feels friendly, and add a light drop shadow only if your design system uses one. Draw a small triangle and place it along the bubble's edge to form the pointer. Rotate and nudge it until it lines up cleanly with the rectangle. Position the bubble near the icon so the pointer aims at the target. Add your tooltip text. Keep it short and action-oriented, like a hint or label. Choose a legible size, adjust line height, and add enough inner padding so the text doesn't touch the edges. Place the messaging icon to the left of the text if you're using it, and align everything to the middle. Select the rectangle, triangle, text, and the messaging icon, and create a component. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Components make reuse and updates much easier across files. Switch to the Prototype tab to wire the interaction. Select the idea icon and connect it to the tooltip component. Set the trigger to while hovering and the action to Open Overlay. Position the overlay near the icon, disable a background overlay, and choose a quick dissolve or no animation for a snappy feel. Enable closing when hovering out to mimic native tooltip behavior. Finally, hit Present to preview. Hover over the icon and confirm the tooltip appears in the right place with crisp alignment, good contrast, and readable text. Tweak spacing or timing if needed, and you're done. Your reusable tooltip is ready to drop anywhere.